Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dani Surya Saputra. I am from class 12 Machine Engineering. I'm student from SMK Negeri 2 Nosari. Here, I will be presents my report working practice of industry or Prakrin. Let's go. Preface. Thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given His grace and guidance so that writer can finish industrial employment practice report or Prakrin organized by SMK Negeri 2 Wonosari for approximately 3 months. This report is a manifestation of the responsibility of the writer in writing of the completion of the students' work practice. Due to COVID-19, students' industrial employment practice report or PRACRIN that should have been held in industry were cancelled and replaced at school. In completing this report, the writer have received help and guidance from the various parties. Without the help and guidance of various parties, perhaps the writer will get difficulties in the preparation of this report. The writer would like to say thanks to 1. Both parents who have given their blessing and mandate. 2. Mr. Ahmad Darmadi SPD M. Ing as the head of SMK Negeri 2 Wonosari. 3. Mr. Babang Budi Pujana SPD as the head of the committee and all the organizer of the organizing committee Prakrin SMK Negeri 2 Wonosari. 4. Mr. Arif Yunianto SPD as a supervisor for Prakrin. And 5. Mrs. Yuana Liverita Gudianti SPD M. Hum as an English teacher. The writer also realized that in writing this paper is still far from perfection. Therefore, critique and suggestion from readers are needed by the writer to improve their skill in report writing. Writer Dani Surya. Next, table of content. Next, chapter 1. Introduction. A. Background. Employment practice industry or Prakrin is a process of learning by deploying students on an agency company as one form of education and training activities for students that combine education in school with education in the industry, which is obtained by performing work practice directly and directionally to add specific expertise. In accordance with the result of the observation and study of the Directorate of Education and Vocational Holding Pattern in SMK not explicitly able to produce graduates as expected. It can be seen from the learning conditions are not conducive to generating a professional workforce because professional expertise a person is not measured by the acquisition of knowledge and the technique works, but it must be equipped with a real mastery of the way to work. Due to an unlikely situation by COVID-19 and the appeal from the government and school, Prakrin that should be carried out were cancelled and replaced in school. However, Prakrin carried out by students in school applies a rotation system for each class, considering the situation and condition that are still prone to transmission of COVID-19 if they are gathered with too many people. B. The purpose of Prakrin implementation. Industrial work practice or Prakrin is a system of learning is done outside of teaching learning and carried out at the company or industry or agency that have been determined. In general, the implementation of the industrial work practice program aimed to improve the knowledge and skill of students according to their field, settling down to real work situation, and so forth. Implementation of industrial work practice or Prakrin at SMK aims to 1. Produce a quality workforce. The workforce has a level of knowledge and skill in accordance with the demands of the working world. 2. Strengthening to compatibility between vocational school and the world of work. 3. Improve process efficiency and effectiveness of education and training. 4. Provide recognition of work experience as part of the educational process. Next, Chapter 2. Result Presentation. A. Activities. This industrial practice was done in SMK Negeri 2 Wonosari from July 2020 to September 2020. During the practical activities of industrial work in Jalan Kiai Haji Agus Salim, Ledok Sari, Kepek, Wonosari, Gunung Kidul, the others do a fair amount of activity every day, including A. Product planning. Select the product to create and create product work design. B. Preparation of product workmanship. Purchase the required material, set up the necessary tools, and division of tasks to work on product. 3. Product workmanship. A. Grinding. Grinding activities is the process of smoothing or removing the sharp side of the work object surface resulting from welding. This activities is also to cut to iron to be welded. Next, B. Welding. Welding activities is one of the techniques of metal connecting by dispersing part of the parent metal and filling metal with or without metal enhancer to producing continuous connection. C. Painting. Painting activities are done after the product is made completely finished. In addition to coloring, the function of painting a product is to protect an object from damaging exposure. D. Product marketing. Once the product is finished, marketing will be done, namely by promoting the product for sale. Marketing or promotion will be done via online by creating a product promotional advertisement that will be sold to the customer. B. Result obtained. As long as I practice in SMK Negeri 2 Wonosari, writers get a lot of insight and knowledge that has never been writers get during the school day, including the following. 1. Direct work experience such as an industry. 2. Know the extent of the skill, to learn and practice again. 3. Increases productive capabilities in accordance with the competency of expertise. 4. Train more disciplinedly and responsibly before actually entering the world of work professionally. 5. Has new abilities in the field of machining, namely welding and grinding. And 6. As well as knowing how to work in a team so that it becomes compact. Next, Chapter 3. Closing. A. Conclusion. During the industrial working practice, writer gets a lot of valuable knowledge and experience. The purpose of work practice itself is to create students who have high work ethic, has a high skill and considerable ability to work directly in the community. Here, the author can draw conclusions including 1. In doing the work requires diligence, thoroughness, and patience. 2. The importance of self-discipline as well as character in the work. 3. Cooperation is indispensable in various areas of life because cooperation can lighten the work and foster a sense of brotherhood and kinship. 4. The importance of testing your skill in order continue to develop soft skill. B. Suggestion 1. For school, it is expected that school can improve the material and guidance so that students are better prepared to carry out the work practice. The school should put the student practice on workplace in accordance with department or expertise. 2. For students who will practice, use abilities and appearance as possible, and keep your good name and secret agencies working practice protocol implementation. Thank you.